Hey loves, welcome back. It's been a while. I'm sorry. So this is Kanaga's hint about his birthday. Kanaga is one of the, or let me just say, first runner-up of Big Brother Titans as Nigeria and South Africa. So he did his birthday, but what intrigues me more was he did some charity work before this birthday. Like, I like that about him. So, and this was how his birthday went down, and many of the, or some of the Big Brother Titans housemates were present there, of course. So, it was mixture of both some top celebrities and then the reality show housemates and all of that. So, they were there for the guy. So, enjoy the rest of the video while I will be back with more gists. So pardon me that you've not seen me for a while. Happy belated birthday, Kanaga. Wish you everything best life can offer. You represented us very well. If I bite my tongue, you represented us very well. Yeah, that's it. Bye.
Hippie movement. Hippie movement. Hippie movement.